2, 1, let's jam.
I hate the look of an empty tow hitch receiver. I thought there'd be a lot of Bronco themed tow hitch covers out there, but there really aren't a lot of choices. The ones out there are very basic looking and rather expensive. I wanted my wife to have something more unique, so I made her one. I first bought a powder coated metal tow hitch cover off Amazon. The link will be in the description below if you're interested. As I intended to paint it, I began by scuffing the surface to give it some tooth. I gave the entire cover a base coat of black spray paint. After the paint was really dry, I applied what's called application tape to the surface. This stuff is used primarily in the sign making industry. It's like a giant low-tack masking tape. I then marked the approximate center of the circle. Using the center mark I made as a reference point, I used a laser at work to lightly cut the design I wanted in the mask. I'll make this design file available if any of you want to use it for your own project. See the description below for the download link. I peeled away the mask from the areas that I was going to spray paint. I then spray painted the exposed areas of the design white. When it was dry enough, the rest of the mask was peeled away. To protect the design, I gave it a few coats of a matte clear coat. I installed it with a locking hitch pin. I'm pretty happy with it. More importantly though, it got the thumbs up from the wife. However, now that she knows I can do this, I think she's going to want a different design. We'll see how long this stays on.